So Nusantara OS based on Android 12.1 is here for the Miatoll device users. If you're a user of Redmi Note 9s Pro, Pro Max or Poco M2 Pro, you can install this thing on your devices. I'm going to share with you some things about this one, the things which you get here by default, SafeNet status and maybe L1 status, CPU throttling and a lot more things. So stay tuned and make sure to watch this. We have Nusantara OS version 4.3. This is the UI, a new UI which you have Nusantara OS version 4.3. Here of course it comes with Android 12.1 goodies. So yes, we have this kind of new interesting thing available with the default launcher things. If you hold and you can select the most recent wallpapers from your quick picks maybe, and yes, you can use this thing and it's working quite good here, by the way, working quite smoothly, and I think so it's a little bit fast, I'm not sure, but it's just looking like. And moving on to the default launcher, of course, as expectedly we have the Pixel launcher pre-installed. If you need the modded Pixel launcher which have the more themed icons compatible with Android 12.1, I'm gonna make a video on that very soon, so stay tuned and make sure to subscribe the channel. Including that new default launcher, etc., we have new animations everywhere as it is based on Android 12.1. We have these animations available in the power menu and the internet tile and screen recording tile, and almost everywhere new animations. It's all about new animations about Android 12.1. No notification text is now at center. This was at top in Android 12 or other builds, but right now it is now at the center. SafeNet status matters a lot, of course, and if you want to install this thing and you don't want to root your device after installing this, no worries, SafeNet status has no issues. You can use banking apps and device is certified. So yes, this is actually a plus point about this one, I think so. Moving on to the camera section here, the default camera, this is actually quite good. We have the Google Camera Go edition which is pre-installed, which is of course not a bad deal. And if you need Gcam, if you want to install Gcam normal main Gcam mode on a device, you can use that one too. I have installed this Gcam. This is the version which I'm talking about. This is the UI which you have in the default Gcam, and I think so this Gcam doesn't look that bad. It's working perfectly fine here. And if I move on to the settings option and check out the about modification, let me show you MGC by BSC 8.1.101. This is the version I'm using, and the version is already available on Karan Cloud channel, so make sure to check out that. Google Photos unlimited storage is also there. You can use Google Photos with all these full resolution photos and videos backup, and yes, it's working perfectly fine here. If you need this thing, that's available, and the option to turn off this option, the turn off this setting, is also present, so I will tell you about that for sure. CPU throttling, the maximum performance which I am getting here is almost same like the Cherish OS 160 is the score which we have, but CPU throttled to 93% of its maximum performance. So yes, unfortunately no CPU thermal throttling detected option or kind of new line is not there, so yes, keep this in your mind. L1 certificate is also there if you need this thing, that's also present, and it's I don't think so you will face any kind of issues while using Amazon Prime or etc. I don't use it because I don't have membership honestly. And yes, Nusantara wings, game space, we have lock screen related customization, status bar, buttons, etc. All these options are available here. We have the game space options available, which is not the normal game space or game dashboard which you have in the Google's Pixel devices, etc. Maybe this is something different you have in Surface OS. It's almost same kind of thing for that. Themes also includes custom monet theming as it is Android 12.1, so custom monet theming is here, looks quite good. Custom monet theming, as you can see, I have already applied that. You also have some custom icon packs available for you. Arches is actually one of my favorite ones. We also have the Sam, Oxygen OS, Circular, and some other icon packs available here for you. We also have some navigation bar style options, customizations for you. For example, you have approximately maybe 10 icon styles available here for you. Looks quite good and interesting, including the default one. We have the 10 icon packs, and here comes some notification customizations and some bit of customizations here and there. And you can see unlimited Google photo storage option, which I have just told you maybe a minute ago that you get this option to turn off. So yes, that is something quite useful. Including that, some customizations include some lock screen options, some status bar kind of things, same battery clock, etc., and some buttons, navigation, etc. Almost same kind of things which you get in every custom room and every customization based rooms. So I don't think so I need to talk about these things more. Interesting things, these are some interesting things which you have Nusantara wings and some interesting kind of UI. You also have the maybe security includes a face lock, fingerprint lock, app lock, whatever you needed. Everything is already present here. Some things which I just want to let you know about this latest Nusantara OS, I have already told you. Performance, etc. Everything I've already shown you. So these were things I just want to let you know. I hope you like this. If you want to install this thing, you can. A link is in the description, and you can install this from the Orange Fox custom recovery maybe. And this is all from today's short and simple video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.